creating what I think turned out as one of my favorite festive makeup looks ever. Some foundation for the perfect base to work with, concealer to even tone the canvas, blush for the soft, flushed festive glow. Now onto the fun part, the eyes. My eyeshadow is going to be doubling up for the wing as well. Next up, defining my brows. Keeping my eyelids on fleek with my classic eyeliner, mascara for a little drama, and some black kajal. Adding a little definition with contour for all those selfies. Going all out for that festive sparkle with tons and tons of gold. Moving on to the lips, blending my favorite shades to see how it turns out. I think I love this one. And I'm ready!
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.